Alright, so we're home now. Just got the windows tinted. Yo. They didn't let us record anything there, so we're like, whatever, we'll just show you when we get home. Got the tail light tinted. And yeah. Got 15% all around. Now we're about to do spark plugs. Cause why not? They've never been changed. At least I don't think so. Alright, y'all, so extension? Yeah, it'll just come out. Just do the rest. Yeah. Still hot because of the drive-in, but and it's hot. Ah, come on. Oh my god. It's hot. It is hot, yeah. Got to unclip it, boy. You see how easy it is to do spark plugs on this car? Santa Fe, bro. You have to take the whole intake off, take manifold, the top part, head cover, all of that shit, bro. You have to legit go through all that big ass process. Throttle body needs to come out, bro. This whole intake comes out. The intake on the top it comes out. Is that what it's even called? Manifold on the top? Some manifold on the top of that. Like this block, like not this block, but on the V6s, right? They're not that big metal piece, but yeah. You put it out. Just lift it up, just the circle up, and then plug it out. Now you plug it out. No, just plug it out. Because the battery's already out. Pull this thing out, about to just use that in here, all of them, make sure there's no dirt, no nothing, and then put the new ones in. I'm legit scared of this shit, man. Watch, it makes some weird ass noise, man. Watch that. I don't know what the hell that is. If you guys know, man, help me out. It's such a weird ass noise. I'm not touching it again. Release all the air that's inside, but let's just use this real quick then. We're good, nothing else in there, so that was good. But let's open this up. It just came out. Okay. Alright. Pull it off. Put it like, no, don't drop it. I mean, we don't need to use it, but like, just put it aside. I want to compare the two.
I mean, it's not bad. Look at it. There's oil all around it, but
no, it's bad, bro. I mean, I've seen way worse, trust me.
Yeah, Santa Fe, bro.
Alright, pull this out, pull this one out.
You want to put it now? Let's take all of them
No,
out.
I just want to compare the size. If you have to resize it or not, you know. Don't touch the tip or anything. And give me that.
Oh, I don't think so. Look at it.
Yeah, no, I think it's good.
Yeah, it's good.
It touched the hand or something?
We don't need that shit.
No, just put it in. I don't even want to leave it open. Like, just do one by one.
Don't drill this.
No, push it in all the way. Like,
It is all the way.
Is it? It'll just come out with it. So we don't We don't really need pliers anyway. Oh, yeah, this one's black. Yeah, this one's black. That's one I leave.
What's it? There's an ant.
Yeah. So, cylinder 1, cylinder 2. From the right side to the left. And yo, when you put it in, slide it all the way to the left. Hold on. Give me this. Suppose you hand tight in the first. I know, but there you go. No, you have to match the threads, right? Just tie it like not too hard. Don't do it too hard. A little bit more, just a little bit more. Yeah, there, that's it. You'll feel it just go in, like you felt it? Yeah. Just match the threads, cause I don't over thread it and shit. Oh, check this out. Check this out. Check this out. For these to come out. Doesn't even sit there properly. What the flip mode? Is this one broken? It is broken as well. Clip is on. We're taking that off.
Oh.
Oh, that's black.
Down.
Third one.
Gap is not bad.
Oh, huh?
The gap.
What gap? No, gap is standard. It's all fine. That one burnt out pretty fastly, yo. The one we just took out, number 3? No, from the looks of it, it does not look like these were running all the time. Man might have done it at 100K or something. I mean, oil. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. They're done like recently. Like they've been switched once. Is what I'm trying to say.
These are better dipstick. You can't see shit.
I mean, I try. You can, man. You can. Just don't do it on a level surface. Do it straight. Like when it's flat. Basically, just need to tighten them just enough so it's blessed. As you're in 190K, that's when we're doing. That's the one. Boy. That's nicely this time, please. This is the least, and then the other one.
When you give the battery back, we're gonna need that part.
Yeah. Oh, we need to put something in, put the oil in something. You felt it? There's a little tip that go out there from space, so you can let's get this one out. Remember first time we took out the spark plug? I left the connector unplugged. The car was misfiring. Like, what the hell is this car doing? The man gave us a ship box or something. And then I went under the hood on the other shit, the connector got plugged in. Guess where the cat is for this car? Okay. Where is it?
Oh, this way.
That's where the cat is. 10. I'll save it for this. All the way back. Yo, now you can see the sunship, bro. Look. You can see the sunship because the sun's not there and it doesn't look too colored anymore. No, we're tightening these. Just a little bit tight, but yeah. Alright, we're good with that. And go sit in. You have the key? I have it. Don't tighten it though. I see this that. And then it says, do not roll your window down. Alright, moment of truth. Sound changed up, yo. Sound changed up.
What's that? Where's the intake comes?
You can kind of hear it though. Yo, Zafir, the shakiness is gone. A little bit, but the rest is from the mounting. Nah, sit in. It's far different, bro. Far different. Sit in. Just leave it in park for now. Check. Gone. Basically gone. Just whatever's left. Basically gone, yo. Can we just toss the spark plugs in the garbage? Google it real quick. No, that one's broken. Leave it. Broken, man. Literally broken. This is the inner piece. The outer piece is broken. We're gonna buy new ones anyways. Fine. I don't care how much horsepower this push is. I just love the symbol. Plus Honda. So. Alright, official test drive with the spark plugs out. What's that light for? Both of them? Both light turbo gas are not working. But the car looks far better with the tints on, man. There's a difference. Far better. At night it's gonna be a lot different. But cars running far smoother. Like you don't even feel anything anymore. Cause before it was just shaking. Now it's just so smooth, like per prime.